Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to my channel. Gear up for Group 1 exam. In the series of important days, last week we have seen from January to June. Now, in this second part, we will see from July to December. What are the important days? What we are waiting for? Let's discuss it. The first one, important days in a July. 1st July, we will celebrate as a National Doctors Day. National Doctors Day is celebrated to pay tribute to legendary doctor B.C. Roy. Doctors Day is celebrated on July 1st in India. In US and other countries, Doctors Day is celebrated on March 30. This day is celebrated to all the doctors to remind them of their vital role in our lives. Second one, 6th July, that is World Zoonosis Day. World Zoonosis Day commemorates the great French biologist Louis Pasteur, who in 1885 successfully obtained the first vaccine against zoonotic disease, that is rabies virus. Next one, 11th July, we will celebrate as a World Population Day. Next one, 17th July, we will celebrate as a International Justice Day. Next one, 18th July, this day is remarkable day. That is why? Because International Nelson Mandela Day. The birth anniversary of Nelson Mandela, we will celebrate 18th July as a International Nelson Mandela Day. Next one, 28th July, World Hepatitis Day. There is a disease about liver. That disease is known as hepatitis. There are different types of diseases in that hepatitis. That is A, B, C, D, E. These are the types of hepatitis diseases. For that awareness about that hepatitis day, we will celebrate 28th July as a World Hepatitis Day. Next one, important days in August. 6th August, we will celebrate as a Hiroshima Day. We know that atomic bomb exploded in Hiroshima Day, in Hiroshima and Nagasaki. 9th August, that is celebrated as a Nagasaki Day. Almost 1 lakh people died in that Hiroshima and Nagasaki, that bomb blasting. Next one, 9th August is also celebrated as a Quit India Movement Day. That started in 1942. Now every year we will celebrate 9th August as a Quit India Movement Day. 12th August, we know that on January 12th we will celebrate as a National Youth Day, but 12th August we will celebrate as a International Youth Day. 19th August, World Humanitarian Day. On the day of 19th, we will celebrate as a World Humanitarian Day for the humanitarianism. Next one, important day, 29th August. We will celebrate 29th August as a National Sports Day. Why? Because it is the birth anniversary of Dhyan Chand, the legendary player in hockey. That's why we will celebrate as a 29th August as a National Sports Day. Next, important days in a September. What are the important days in a September? The first one, 8th September, that is celebrated as a World Literacy Day. Next one, 15th September, Engineers Day. Happy Engineers Day. Why we will celebrate as a 15th September as a Engineers Day? Why? Because very great engineer, that is Sir Mokshagunda Visvesvaraya, birth anniversary on 1860, 15th September. That's why we will celebrate as a Engineers Day. 16th September, that is we will celebrate as a World Ozone Day. Why we will celebrate as a World Ozone Day on 16th September, that is Montreal Protocol observed on that day for ozone protection. That's why we will celebrate 16th September as a World Ozone Day. Next one, 21st September, that is celebrated as a Alzheimer's Day. That is about mind, that disease is related to remembrance. Who affected with that Alzheimer's, he will forget everything. Next one, 27th September, we will celebrate as a 27th September World Tourism Day. Next one, 29th September, we will celebrate it as a World Heart Day. Nowadays, due to heart attack, several people are dying. For that awareness about heart diseases, we will celebrate 29th September as a World Heart Day. Next one, Important days in October. 2nd October, we all know about that Gandhi Jayanti, that is birth anniversary of Gandhi, that is he born in 2nd October. That is also known as International Day of Non-Violence, that is celebrated on 2nd October. 8th October, Indian Air Force Day. We will celebrate as a Indian Air Force Day on 8th October. 9th October, for the post office services, we are celebrating World Post Office Day on 9th October. 11th October, International Girl Child Day. To protect our girl childs, we are celebrating 11th October as a International Girl Child Day. Next one, 14th October as celebrated as a World Standards Day. Next one, we will celebrate for food World Food Day as on 16th October. UN Day, that is United Nations Day, we will celebrate as a 24th October. This is very important, please remember it. 31st October, we will celebrate as a National Unity Day. Why? Because birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. It is also known as Rashtriya Ekta Dinas, that is National Unity Day. That is 31st October, we will celebrate as a Rashtriya Ekta Divas or National Unity Day. It is also a very important, please remember it. Next one, important days in November. 5th November, we will celebrate as a World Tsunami Day. Next one, 7th November, that is we will celebrate as awareness about cancer, that is National Cancer Awareness Day. 9th November, Legal Services Day. 9th November, we will celebrate as a Legal Services Day. 21st October, we will celebrate as a World Television Day. For the televisions, we are celebrating 21st November as a World Television Day. Next one, important days in December. 1st December, we will celebrate as a AIDS Day. Why? Because to awareness about the AIDS, that is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. It is the next stage of HIV. After that, we have to know more awareness about World AIDS Day. By awareness only we will reduce that, we will prevent that AIDS. Next one, 4th December, we will celebrate as a Indian Navy Day. 4th December, we will celebrate as a Indian Navy Day. Next, 10th December, that is Human Rights Day. For our rights, we will celebrate 10th December as a Human Rights Day. Next one, 22nd December, that is we will celebrate as a National Mathematics Day. Why we are celebrating on that day? Why? Because the great mathematician Srinivas Raman born on that day, that is 22nd December. Next one, 23rd December, that is the backbone of our country, that is farmers. For that, we are celebrating as a Farmers Day in India, 23rd December, or else Kisan Divas. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Next one, there is a Prime Minister, 5th Prime Minister Charan Singh. He told about more importance of the farmers to our country. That's why we celebrated 23rd December as a Kisan Divas. Last one, 24th December, that is we will celebrate as a National Consumer Day. These are the important days from January to December. If I forget anything, please comment in our comment section. Please like our video and share to our fellow aspirants and subscribe to my channel Gear Up for Group 1 Exam. This is Sunny Sandeep signing off. Take care. Bye bye.